What can happen if I refuse to meet with my DCF assessment worker in Massachusetts? This is a question I'm often asked by clients. Attorney Seaver, do I have to meet with DCF during the assessment? And if so, I don't meet with DCF, what are the possible outcomes and consequences? To answer that question is multi-level. First and foremost, DCF has already supported an allegation against you for child abuse or child neglect. So you're on their radar. You are already on their central registry, which is not a place you really want to be. And hopefully appeal that supported decision or substantiated concern either to the DCFA hearing office or to the area director if it's a substantiated concern for a grievance. The second thing is that if the allegations are of such a serious nature and you refuse to meet with DCF will get together and have a powwow. They call it a legal consult. I call it a powwow, where all the parties will get together at DCF and determine whether or not there's enough evidence there, perhaps to go seek legal action, which is mumbo-jumbo, abracadabra, hocus pocus, smoke and mirrors for removal of your children. You should never gamble with the exposure of your family, especially your children, to DCF. Whenever you're involved with DCF, you should always have a lawyer. Always. And the reason for that is the enormity of the powers that DCF has to come in at any time, day and night, remove your children without even a court order. That doesn't send a shiver up your spine. Nothing will. If you're gonna gamble, go over to the Encore in Boston and put $50 down on red or something. Do not gamble with your children. So the importance of meeting with them during the assessment is to show that these allegations that have been asserted against you are false, bogus, and unfair. And that's one of your opportunities to do that. The third thing you want to do also is you want to make sure they have an opportunity to find out from DCF what it is that's been alleged against you. Use this as an opportunity to find out what the heck is going on, to get your DCF file and be able to implement your legal rights to a fair hearing, to a grievance, to the appeal of these false, bogus, baseless claims that have been levied against you and your children. Remember this, you want to get DCF in your life, out of your life without losing your children. Your affirmative duty as a parent is to protect your children. Your children are removed from your home. You're not. What does that do to you? More importantly, what does that do to your small children? Don't go there.